Alright guys, I work on stuff all the time. I wanted to give you a little secret that I have, trick of the trade. You know, the rubber that goes behind these little exhaust mounts, they wear out real easy. The heat finally gets to them, they fall apart. I want to teach you what I've done here. So if you notice, there's some aluminum. I try to get stuff that matches the pipe, or I paint it ahead of time, whatever. But this is just Dollar Tree aluminum foil lids. You get those lids. And all I do is fold them in sections like this and just keep folding and folding until I get to the end. And then I take a hammer and I just tap it until it's flat. And then I wrap it around the pipe. And then I go ahead and tighten my clamp over it. And this never, ever wears out. It just doesn't. It holds the pipe very good. As you guys know, tin foil takes heat very well. And you can see how wide it is once you're done compressing it. It just packs right against it real nice and tight. Put your bolt back through and it doesn't go anywhere, and you can reuse it as many times as you want to. But instead of using those little rubber things, I find that these little trays actually work really, really well. And they're $1. So, little trick of the trade for you there. I work on stuff all the time, as you can see, and this is just one that I run into quite often with scooters. And instead of just getting the same garbage and putting it back on there, those little rubber mounts, I do it this way. So that's how I solve problems. Anyways, hope that helps you guys. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, all that good stuff. Little tricks of the trade. Next up, carburetor, starter, so on and so forth on this little GY6. And then this one should be ready for the road. I just finished the whole axle nuts. Now all that spins how it should. Scooter's almost done. Picked it up for 150 bucks with a title, 2015, and it rips, man. This thing is surprisingly fast. It's a pretty quick little scooter, but that carburetor's garbage, so we're gonna replace that. Just popped a new battery in it. You can see the new batteries over there. A new starter solenoid just went on there, so got a little work ahead of me still. This one will be done today though. I just changed the oil. As you can see, I just replaced starter solenoid, all the simple stuff. And yeah, we're pretty much at a point where this thing should rip, chip. So that's quick, It's a very good looking scooter for how old it is for being Chinese. Turn signals broke off a while ago, so I'm trying to figure out the best place to mount these. Right now I'm kind of just happy with this. I like this. It's just out of the way. It used to be up here, upside down, but I don't know. Whoever broke them pretty good. So thinking about just mounting them right there. And as long as you can see the blinky flashiness and I'm turning, it doesn't look super out of place, so I might just do it like that. But yeah, other than that, I mean, like I said, just a little mess around scooter I bought for 150 bucks with a clean title, so yeah, I might keep it, might sell it, I don't know. Depends on how I'm feeling, I guess, when I'm done, but just want to show you how to fix your exhaust. Easily. It's an easy way to do it. So you can take a utility knife, cut off the extra that you don't want on there, just chop right through it real easily. So, all right, guys, later.
Are you sure this is okay? You're in country, dude. Live a little. Now, she's pretty sensitive, so go easy on the throttle, okay? All right.